Wrinkles don't stand a chance with the SALAV heavy-duty commercial full-size garment steamer. Built for both home and commercial use, this steamer delivers a powerful 1,800 watts of steam to smooth out clothes, drapes, and upholstery with ease. Just plug it into a dedicated outlet, and in no time, it's ready to go. Whether you're working in a busy retail shop, a tailoring business, or just keeping your home looking sharp, this steamer is up to the task. It's designed for efficiency, reliability, and long-lasting performance. One of its standout features is the extra-large 3-liter water tank. With this capacity, you get over 90 minutes of continuous steam, meaning fewer interruptions and more productivity. No need to stop and refill every few minutes. Just fill it once and steam away. The tank is also detachable, making refills quick and hassle-free. And with the transparent design, you can easily check the water level at a glance. It's built for those who need a steady steam flow without the inconvenience of constant refilling. The multifunctional hanger makes steaming clothes effortless. Whether it's delicate dresses, thick jackets, or long drapes, this steamer provides a stable and secure setup for all your steaming needs. The foot pedal control system is another great feature. Just tap it with your foot, and the steamer powers on or off. No bending, no fuss. With its broad support frame, the unit stays steady, so you can focus on getting a flawless finish. It's safe, convenient, and built for smooth operation. Storage and mobility are just as important as performance. The rolling wheels make it easy to move the steamer from room to room, while the telescopic aluminum support bar collapses for compact storage. No need to worry about it taking up too much space. Whether you're steaming in a laundry room, a fashion boutique, or a hotel, this steamer fits right in. Powerful, long-lasting, and easy to use, the SALAV heavy-duty garment steamer is designed to make wrinkle removal effortless, wherever you need it.